The hack is simple. Copy our free AI Keno numbers today. Watch the end of this video for the best Keno numbers. Subscribe for more 2024 Keno strategies. Our cameras are rolling on the first set of AI Keno numbers. Let's go! Okay, use this 4 spot to change the Keno machine algorithm. The odds are 1 in 327 when you hit a 4 of 4. Yes, Keno hack. Use this 4 spot when your Keno machine goes cold. Yes, play longer and win more often. Let's go on to another bonus Keno hack. Keno hack alert. Double your chances with a lucky 10 spot on 2 Keno cards. Subscribe now for more AI Keno strategies and exclusive Keno numbers. Okay, keep the cameras rolling on this next Keno hack. Let's go! Okay, the hack is 2 Keno cards with the same numbers. Cards B and C. Keno numbers are free. Subscribe for more AI Keno hacks. Listen up, this old-school 4-card Keno game is still fun, and the new AI Keno numbers will make you a winner. Hey, do you play consecutive Keno numbers? Come on, look at our version of consecutive numbers next. Let's go. Another Keno hack alert. Share or comment on your lucky consecutive Keno numbers. If you don't have one, try this next 10 spot. Subscribe now for more exclusive Keno numbers. We use consecutive Keno numbers to change the Keno machine algorithm. Let's see how we did this time. Let's go! Okay, the hack is that we use the upper left of the Keno card a lot, and we often switch to our version of consecutive Keno numbers. It works to change the Keno machine algorithm. Subscribe for more AI Keno strategies. Also, don't forget to have fun playing Keno. Be a winner at Keno. Beginners. Yes, beginners, watch another video. These 2 videos will have more free Keno numbers. Also, free AI strategies with current AI Keno tips and tricks. Thank you, and good luck!